Hey everyone, welcome to the Dimidrone's channel, and today we're visiting magnificent manor complex called Plungė and located on the western side of Lithuania. And here is one of the legend about this place. Once upon a time there was a fortress on Gondinga Hillfort. It was taken by occupants during the wars between the Polish and the Normans. When the latter were forced to leave, they gathered all their gold, silver, weapons and other valuables inside the castle, locked its heavy iron doors and buried the entire castle under a mound of soil so that no sign of it ever remained. They hid the key under the largest rocks they could find in the stream pool of the Babrungas River. The treasure was entrusted for safekeeping to the devil supervised by the master of the castle. The locals believed that anyone attempting to find the treasure would eventually die in the horrible death. Rumor had it that there was a centenarian Prussian man who promised to show the villagers the way to the iron door and the treasure and help them to find the hidden key. Unfortunately, he was found struck by sudden death soon after making that promise. A year later, Count Michał Ogiński hired several engineers to explore the hill fort. However, the Count passed away soon and the works he had started were discontinued. That's it about the legend, and here is some interesting facts. The hill fort, called Gondinga Hillfort, formerly known as Gondinga, can indeed be visited near Plungė. Years ago, before the city of Plungė was founded, a well-fortified Curonian castle was built on the top of Gondinga Hillfort. In the 15th century, Gondinga Manor belonged to the Grand Duke of Lithuania. However, a new settlement emerged several kilometers away from Gondinga in the 16th century. The village was first called Plungė and eventually was renamed to Plungė. The administration of Gondinga Volost was transferred to Plungė Manor by the Grand Duke Sigismund II Augustus in 1567. In 1779, the king of the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth gave the regional municipality of Plungė to Vilnius Bishop Ignacy Masalski. Platon Zubov, courtier of the Empress Catherine of the Great of Russia, purchased Plungė County in 1806. Later, in 1873, Plungė Manor and the entire town with its surrounding regions was bought by Consul Michał Ogiński, who was mentioned in the legend before. The Plungė Manor complex remains one of the best preserved and valuable manors in Lithuania. It consists of a manor house, clock tower with a greenhouse, equestrian facility of the Gothic revival style, two servants' quarters. One of them was used as a guest room in the times of the Ogiński, and the other one was used by the manor administration and also served as a kitchen. A guardhouse, a pheasants breeder's house, a count's attorney's house and a laundry. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching, keep traveling and discover new locations. Bye bye.